Here we are at Kamay ni Jesus, Lukban, Quezon. O tingin kaway. Happy Valentine's Day everyone. Kuhain mo buo yan ah.
Happy Valentine's Day. Yeah. Happy Valentine's Day. Ang layo ng date namin dito sa Lukban, Quezon. Yan, kadate namin ang Kamay ni Jesus.